This is Rob McMahon for Expert Village. We're going to talk about framing nailers. First, I'd like to get into the different types of framing nailers. This one here is a D-head, or a clipped nail framing hammer, and as you can see, it's got one edge that's cut off, and they're all in a tight clip. The other type would be a full round head, and they're separated. The clipped head has a shorter magazine, and the full round head comes out about another good 6 inches. I prefer this one because it gets into tighter spaces. Now, the use of a framing nailer is to shoot framing size nails or 8-penny nails, basically common nails that you would buy. Saves a lot of time from hand driving. And you load them into the magazine, click it in, and it's as easy as that. There's a lot of different types of tools. This is a Senko, one of the top of the lines. It come various different makes, models. There's along with the round head nailers, there's a coil nailer, where the magazine here is basically a cylinder that you load in a long coil of nails, and that takes up even less space than this.